So as we look at the Class 3 girls 80-meter hurdles, Niara McDonald of Immaculate, Devoni Francis of Homewood Technical here. Another look at McLeod from Immaculate in lane 1. Wearing the bib number 598.
Talented youngster, 4th at the Corporate Hero Championships. The record here, as I said, 10.87 seconds set by Kamoy Binger back in 2022.
Broken yesterday, 10.80. Azaria Harris in his semi-final number 2. But the fastest time yesterday was 10.75 Spencer. However, 2.6 meters behind her, Shana Godfrey.
Devoni Francis of Homewood Technical is in lane 2.
Yeah, Francis 11.11 to get here.
Dana Query from Wilmers in lane 3.
This may be Wilmers' best hurdler in the future.
Lane 4, the reigning champion, Tashana Godfrey from Edwin Allen.
A very fast 10.75 yesterday to qualify. Confident.
Lane number 5, Azaria Harris from the Convent of Mercy Alpha.
Already has a medal here at Champs. Bronze in the 100 meters, the record holder in this event.
In lane 6, Daniela Clark, Edwin Allen.
Also faster than Kamoy Binger's old record at 10.82.
Lane 7, Clemoya Roberts from Hydel.
Just saw her teammate won in Class 4. Can she pull the upset?
And in lane 8, it's Shanice Williams of St. Jago, the Class 4 champion from last year.
Yeah, Williams looks good. 11.25, but it will require something extraordinary to get by the likes of Godfrey, Harris, Clark, and Creary. Creary in her first year of Class 3. Good to see her in this final, but the running you expect to come from the Edwin Allen girls, with Harris trying to split them in any way possible.
That's a favorite. Tashana Godfrey of Edwin Allen came into the championships with the top 3 times in the event. She is the reigning champion.
The 100-meter gold medalist Clark and the bronze medalist Harris from Alpha looking to have their rematch there. Clark just making sure she has everything straight with her blocks, getting an opportunity to do some final testing before they
on your
run
marks.
the race.
Getting ready then for the Class 3 girls 80-meter hurdles final. McLeod, Francis, Creary, Godfrey, Harris, Clark, Roberts, and Williams.
Set.
With the set position. Off they go. Tashana Godfrey got a very good start. So too Devoni Francis of Homewood Technical. Tashana Godfrey, the pre-race favorite and defending champion from Edwin Allen, takes command now. She will retain the gold medal for the Class 3 girls in the 80-meter hurdles contest. 10.80 seconds for Tashana Godfrey, landing gold. The number 1 ranked athlete in the event, silver in 10.96, goes to Azaria Harris from the Convent of Mercy Alpha. Another medal for her at these championships. 11.14 for the bronze. Daniela Clark of Edwin Allen. So gold and bronze for the school from Frankfield in Clarendon.
And she also gets the meet record, Spencer, 10.80 second into a negative 0.34 meters per second wind speed. Gets to the first hurdle first, and that was it for Godfrey, the defending champion of Edwin Allen. Azaria Harris from Alpha hurdling well to next to her, and Clark. So the top 3 there expected to medal. They do so, and it is the defending champion, Godfrey, who takes it.
Yeah, Godfrey, more powerfully built than the rest, so easy for her to navigate this tough headwind. -3, she equals the meet record. Now held jointly with Azaria Harris, who finishes in second. So bronze in the 100, silver in the sprint hurdles, but Godfrey, the hot favorite, delivers. First to the hurdle 1, 2, 3, 4, and a first across the line. Her teammate Clark trying to hang on for dear life, but it's Godfrey who stamps her authority, displays her class, and runs through in a big way. A -3.4 meters per second headwind, and a shot there at the champion twice over. Edwin Allen, large and in charge in these girls sprint hurdles finals, Class 3.
Courtesy of Tashana Godfrey, 10.80. The silver, Harris from Convent of Mercy, 10.96. 11.14 for Daniela Clark, getting the bronze medal for Edwin Allen. They have looked supreme all season in the sprint hurdles and in this class, and they've come here and justified the level of confidence they would have brought in for this event.